Hi, M6059. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, employers from Hong Kong. Good day. I'm Sharika Peter from Philippines. I am 37 years old and a Christian, and I am happily married. I have two daughters, which 16 and 19 years old now.
Highest educational attainment.
I am a college undergraduate, a BS Criminology.
Okay, by the way, is this your course is your first choice?
No, sir.
Okay, why?
Because my father is a policeman, and then my two brothers is also a policeman. That's why they told me that I'm going to school.
Take that
Take
course.
that course.
So you was encouraged by your family.
Yes.
But what is your first choice?
Before, sir, I want to work in a cruise ship.
So
That's
you want,
my dream before.
so that's the course that you want to do.
Yes.
But you was encouraged by your
My
family.
family.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
My experience as a helper, I do cooking in the house, and then cleaning at three cars. I serve in a three family member, which is they have one boy son. I taking care of that boy. I'm going to school. I fetch him. The name is David, and then I get him before we going home, and then my employer, I also drove them to the office every
Okay, so
day.
you know how to drive.
Yes,
But you
I
are
know.
also a helper of them.
Yes,
So
I'm a helper
if
in
the
their house.
so if the driver is not available, you are the one who drove them to the office and also
Yes,
the
sir.
children to the school.
Yes, sir. I'll drop all the family member.
Okay. Okay, since you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have an idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn?
Yes.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check. I will check the temperature of the baby, or check the stomach, which is. I will give him I will give the baby a first aid. In Philippines, we have oil, manzanilla
Okay.
for the
Tummy ache,
for the stomach.
stomach ache.
Yes.
Okay. And also,
Also, I'm also checking the diaper.
okay.
Check the
And if
diaper.
the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did everything that you can, what will you do?
I will call the the parents of the baby, the employer.
Okay. And
I
what will
will
you tell to the employer?
I will tell the baby is crying, and then I want you to know that the baby is crying, and then I will check all the uh, I will check all the diaper, and then the temperature, and I will check if the baby is hungry but
Still crying.
still crying.
So you will inform the parents.
Yes, I will
Okay.
inform them,
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because Hong Kong is I want to work in Hong Kong because of the salary. Hong Kong is the good to all the apply in domestic work. Hong
So-
Kong is good in when it comes to salary basis.
Okay, because the salary of Hong Kong is so very high,
Yes.
very competitive than rather than the other country.
Yes.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Any, sir, 2 years, but depend on the employer.
So
If
it is
they-
okay to you to extend your contract.
Yes, if they rehire me,
Okay.
it's up to them.
Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir, but I have when I work here in Commonwealth, my previous employer is a Filipino Chinese.
Okay,
So I see the cooking in the house.
but you know how or not yet?
A little bit.
A little
I know,
bit.
like steamed fish.
Okay, so you know how to
Yeah.
prepare food like steamed
Yes.
fish. Okay, if one of your employer prepared foods that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Um,
It is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share a job with other helper.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes.
How about work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
Yes, yes, yes.
It is okay to you to taking care of pets.
Yeah.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes.
If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you or are you willing to learn their language?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me. I'm good in house chores. I know how to handle the kids also. And then I want to serve you with all of my heart.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Shireka. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.